Hi there, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will going to explain the iterators. So you have already seen a lot of iterators already. So for example, our list, dictionaries, file connections are iterators which we can iterate, and we have used the for loops, while loops to iterate over them, right? But I will show you one other function which is next to explain the property of iterators. So iterable is basically an object which returns an iterator object, and we can move to a next value using the next function, but this is just a mere theory. What I'll do is I'll just show you one list. So I'll say list1 and simply specify some number over here, and now if I want to create an iterator object out of it, so I will say list2 is equals to, and I will use the iter function over here, and that's basically what the loops are doing inside the program to iterate over it. That first it is converting it into an iterator, it is iterable, then this iter function is converting and making an iterable object which is iterator object which is list2. So if I go ahead and execute that, and now if I want to iterate over it, I will use the next, and that is what inside to your loops are going on. So it is returning the first value which is 25, and if I say next list2, it will return 30. If I again say next list2, it will return the third value which is 44. And let me go down a little bit, and I will say next list2, it will return 50. And if I further go down, and now if I try to execute it, it will return an issue, the stop iteration error, because it does not find anything. So this is what basically your inherent for while loops are doing when they are iterating over it. Similarly, if you have any string object like my string is equals to hello, and iter underscore my string is equals to iter and my string, and if I execute that, let me go down a little bit so that you can see the things properly. And now if I say next iter underscore my string, I will see h, and next iter underscore my string e. So it will go over each and every character and show you the output. So that's the main thing I wanted to show you, the iterables, about how really the iterables work. And if you have any such scenario where you want to use it just to experiment it, not without using the for loop or anything, but manually by doing some sort of an operation, then you can do it like this by converting this iterable object into an iterator object using the iter function, and use the next function to iterate over its each element. So that's pretty much about it I want to discuss in this video, and I will meet you in the new video, the new topic.